Welcome to From Neuro to Nova, the journey from knowledge to brilliance, where the future is now. I'm here to show you that even when you have nothing but a phone and Wi-Fi, you still have everything you need to rebuild. If you're watching this from the driver's seat of your car at 3 a.m., or lying on someone's couch wondering how long their hospitality will last, I want you to know something. You're not as powerless as you feel right now. I know what it's like when your entire world fits in a backpack. When you're calculating whether you can afford a $5 meal, or if you need to save that for gas. When you're too embarrassed to tell people where you're really sleeping tonight. But here's what I discovered during my lowest point. Your smartphone isn't just a phone. It's a business headquarters, a production studio, a marketing agency, and a bank all rolled into one. And with just Wi-Fi, whether it's from McDonald's, a library, or that one neighbor who never password protected their router, you can start generating income within 24 hours. The traditional advice doesn't work when you're in survival mode. Network with people? What people? Invest in yourself. With what money? Build your personal brand. From where? Your car? No. What you need are tools that work with what you have right now. Tools that don't care about your address, your credit score, or whether you showered today. Tools that can turn your desperation into determination and your phone into a profit machine. Let me start with the first tool that literally saved my life. TaskRabbit. But not the way most people use it. Everyone thinks TaskRabbit is just for moving furniture or assembling IKEA stuff. But there's a whole category of digital tasks you can do from anywhere. Virtual organizing. People will pay you $20 to $40 per hour to help them organize their digital photos, clean up their email inboxes, or sort through their computer files. You can do this over video calls from your car, a coffee shop, anywhere with Wi-Fi. Online research tasks. Businesses need people to find contact information, research competitors, or compile lists of potential customers. These pay $15 to $30 per hour and require nothing but your phone and good internet skills. Social media management for local businesses. Most small business owners are drowning in social media. Offer to manage their Instagram or Facebook for $200 to $500 per month. You can create content, respond to comments, and schedule posts all from your phone. The beauty of TaskRabbit is that payments go directly to your bank account or debit card within hours, not weeks. When you need money for food tonight, that matters. Next up is Rover, and I'm not just talking about dog walking. The real money is in drop-in visits and pet sitting. Here's the strategy. Position yourself as someone who works from home and can provide constant companionship for pets. Pet owners will pay $25 to $50 per day for someone to stay with their pets while they're traveling. You get a warm, comfortable place to stay, often with full kitchen access, and you're getting paid for it. It's like Airbnb, but they pay you instead of you paying them. Even better, many pet owners are frequent travelers. Get in good with 3-4 regular clients, and you could have housing sorted for months at a time while earning $500 to $1,500 per month. Use your phone to take amazing photos of their pets, send regular updates to the owners, and build a 5-star reputation. Soon you'll have more bookings than you can handle. Now let's talk about Uber Eats and DoorDash, but with a twist. Everyone focuses on food delivery, but the real opportunity is in shopping and delivery services through Instacart and Shipt. Here's why this works better when you're living mobile. You can work in different areas depending on where you're staying. Rich neighbourhoods tip better and have higher value orders. You can literally follow the money. Shopping orders often pay $15 to $25 per hour plus tips, and you're in air-conditioned stores instead of sitting in traffic. Plus, you learn which areas have the best opportunities for other gigs. Pro tip, use apps like Gridwise to track which times and locations are most profitable. Treat this like a business, not just a survival job. The fourth tool is Swagbucks and similar reward apps, but I'm going to show you how to maximize them. Most people make $25 per day. You can make $20 to $50 per day with the right strategy. Stack multiple apps, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, and Rakuten. Use them simultaneously while you're doing other activities. Watching videos while waiting for Rover bookings, taking surveys during slow periods between deliveries. Focus on the high-value activities, product testing, mystery shopping, and cashback shopping. These can pay $10 to $50 per task instead of pennies per survey. Use your mobile situation as an advantage. You can mystery shop different locations, test location-based apps, and participate in studies that require travel to different areas. Here's the game changer. Fiverr mobile services. Your phone can provide services that people pay premium prices for. Social media content creation. Use your phone's camera to create Instagram stories, TikTok videos, or product photos for small businesses. Charge $50 to $200 per package. Voice over services. Your phone's voice recorder is good enough for most projects. Offer voiceovers for YouTube videos, commercials, or audiobooks. This can pay $100 and $500 per project. Virtual assistants. Manage emails, schedule appointments, handle customer service calls. All you need is your phone and a professional attitude. Charge $15.25 per hour. Phone-based consulting. If you have any expertise in anything, offer 30-minute phone consultations. Relationship advice, career coaching, technical support. People pay $50 to $150 for expert advice. The sixth opportunity is Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist flipping, but with a mobile twist. You don't need storage space when you're doing digital arbitrage. Find underpriced items online, contact the seller, then immediately list them at market price. When someone wants to buy, you coordinate the pickup and delivery, taking your profit margin without ever touching the item. Electronics, furniture, collectibles, anything with a clear market value works. You can make $200, $500 per week, just coordinating deals from your phone. Use apps like OfferUp, Mercari, and Poshmark to expand your reach. The key is becoming really good at spotting undervalued items quickly. Finally, let's talk about the combination strategy that can get you from survival to stability in 30-60 days. Week 1 to 2, focus on immediate income. TaskRabbit virtual tasks, delivery apps, and reward apps. Goal, $300 to $500 per week for basic survival. Week 3 to 4, add Rover pet sitting for stable housing and Fiverr services for higher income. Goal, $500 to $800 per week with housing covered. Week 5 to 8, scale the Fiverr services, add marketplace flipping, and start building repeat clients. Goal, $800 to $1,500 per week with multiple income streams. The key is treating your phone like a business tool, not just entertainment. Every app you download should either make you money or help you make money more efficiently. Track everything. Use apps like Stride to track mileage and expenses for taxes. Use banking apps that don't require a permanent address. Use Google Drive to store important documents in the cloud. Your situation isn't permanent, but your skills and hustle are. Every dollar you earn, every client relationship you build, every 5-star review you get, that's building towards something bigger. I know it feels impossible when you're running on empty, sleeping in uncomfortable places, wondering if tomorrow will be better than today. But I need you to understand something. Some of the most successful people I know started exactly where you are. The difference between surviving and thriving isn't your circumstances. It's your response to them. While other people are making excuses, you're making money. While they're waiting for opportunities, you're creating them. Your phone is your lifeline to a better future. Your Wi-Fi connection is your bridge to financial freedom. Your determination is your competitive advantage. This is From Neuro to Nova, where we turn your knowledge into brilliance and make the future happen now. I read every comment, but don't get mad if I don't answer. I'm fighting too, but we're going to win this together. Hit that subscribe button if this gave you hope when you needed it most. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about turning these survival strategies into long-term wealth. Your comeback starts with your next move. Make it count.